Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing how to begin your personal growth journey.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name's Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so it can reach more people. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope that you enjoy. So a lot of people are struggling with just knowing where to begin their journey, and so that's why I want to come on here and just show a quick video on where to begin. So first, you begin with making the decision to start a journey and to not give up on yourself. Then you remind yourself that you're always going to do your best, which will vary depending on what you're going through or depending on like how you're feeling as far as health. So know that you're going to do your best and keep telling yourself not to give up, that it's going to be hard, but like just don't give up. And once you make the decision to begin your journey and accept your journey as it is and accept yourself as you are, which is something that you will learn to do over time. So once you do that, that's when you start to learn all that you can about personal growth journeys, what you can try out, what to do, and just different ways that people go about doing their journey. So I definitely recommend, this is what I did, I definitely recommend looking up different podcasts, looking up different YouTube videos, researching on personal growth and development. Learn all that you can about the human mind, learn all that you can about mindset shift, learn what you can about who you are through journaling, meditating, and just taking time to be alone and with yourself. It's going to take a lot of time, so also remind yourself that you are on your own journey. So don't compare your journey to the next person's, because it's not fair to you and it's not fair to them. So compare yourself to the person that you were yesterday and to the person that you want to become in the future. And a lot of people say, myself included, say to work your way backwards. So see the person that you want to become and see the person that you want to be in the future and figure out what you need to do today in order to become that person in the future. And also, I need you to know that there's a chance that your friends group or your family or your significant other, there's a chance that you may not continue relationships with them. And also there's a chance that they just might start to slowly fade away, kind of thing. Don't worry. Those who are meant to be in your life will be in your life, and you have to be okay with change. And even if that means the people in your life changing, I know it's hard, but if they truly love you and truly care about you and are meant to be in your life, then they'll understand and know that you are growing and changing, and so they will either continue to support you in that, or they will step away. So if they're meant to be in your life, they're going to support you and they're going to grow as well if you encourage them to do so, and they're going to appreciate that you are on your growth and you're noticing that you need to change and you're wanting to change. So if they're holding you back, then they're not the friends for you, they're not the loved ones for you. So it's okay, and know that there's a chance it'll happen, but don't let it hold you back from progressing. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every time that I upload a new video. I upload Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, so stay tuned, and also stay tuned for the recommended videos after. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching or group coaching, definitely check the link in the description below so that way you can book your free connection call with me, so that way we can discuss what it is that you're going through, what it is that what kind of life it is that you want to create, and see if what I offer can actually help you. I am grateful that you took the time out to watch my video. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much. And always, always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.